right, Northwoods tip of the day. If you're out hiking, whether you're just going out for a hike or hunting or prospecting, whatever you're doing, and you know you're going to be building a fire at the end of the day, or maybe to build you a shore lunch, could happen. But what you want to do is grab some dead grasses or anything you got for tinder along the way, even if it's wet. We've had a big thaw. It rained for 2 weeks straight and then went right down to zero. And I'm actually standing in a frozen marsh, cutting across, heading to the river, and I'm on ice right now. So this is just wet grasses. And like I said, it's wet. But you put this, gather yourself some, put it in your front pocket, and as you're walking, your pants, it'll work it, and it'll wick the moisture right out. It's amazing. All right, let's see what we got. This has been in my pocket for several hours, and this one feels pretty dry. All right, I got a piece of char cloth I make. I'm just gonna take a piece, set it there. And there you go. All it's got to do is touch it. So we're going to take that. We're going to put our extra piece into our tinder bundle. Set that on there. Make sure we keep it. See, we don't have much tinder. Ember down in there a little bit. There you go. Pretty easy. So always remember that. Little wet grass in your pocket. You never know when you're going to need a fire. So there you go. Northwoods tip of the day.